Hello, Mr. Box fan. Let's see what kind of air you blow today. Ah, refusing to run, I see. Yes, I'm doing this in the middle of the night because I can. But let's turn on a flashlight. Bam! Well, bam! There's the fan itself that's going to be destroyed by the teenager himself. Alright. This fan just refuses to spin. Oh, there we go. I got it to spin. Won't be spinning for long now. Come on, you can do it, son. I thought I shorted out the motor for a second. I didn't hear a hum. Oh, well, goodness me, I broke the blade. I noticed something. Oh boy, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I busted a little piece of the motor. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's get this plastic off. There we go. Well, we have some continuity. And I found out a way how to destroy this piece of shit. Womp, womp, wah! You need to cool off, Mr. Motor. Take some water. I think that ends it. I think I fried it. Oh! I saw smoke! It fried! It fried out! It's fried! I fried it! Oh my god. Okay, let's get this shit cleaned up. There. It kind of fits. I don't know.